Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, Sunday, February 23rd, 2020. And it's 50 degrees out. And that seems to be the magic temperature that gets the bees out doing some cleansing flights. And tomorrow's supposed to be a little bit warmer. So I'm thinking I might do an oxalic acid treatment tomorrow. I was intending on buying that lower cost oxalic acid vaporizer that you just drill a hole in the side of the box and insert a tube. Someone's selling one for I think $150. I have a more expensive one that's over $500, but the one that I have, it has the hot plate that you have to slide into the bottom and heat up the oxalic acid, but I have to use that. But yeah, as of today, seems to be some bee activity, and as you can see, having sort of a mild winter this year here in Massachusetts. Currently no snow. We had a couple of days where we got single digit temperatures, but really hasn't been that bad. Almost feels like spring is coming on a day like today. Got the blue skies. Well, a little bit of haziness. Some clouds. But yeah, I'm going to go out and take a look at the bees. See if by chance, I doubt it, if there's any pollen coming in. Yeah, there's some pretty good activity. Sort of comes and goes, builds up, and then dies down a little bit. Seem to be taking a little bit more than, well, maybe, I don't know if they're cleansing flights in addition to anything else, because they're making some pretty good loops around the hive. Those might be bees that have never been out, if they're a wordy brood. And for the first time, there are bees coming out of the top here. So they've gone through the sugar. Yeah, so there's some pretty good activity. It's only 12 o'clock, so might be warming up a little bit more. The sun's right on this side here, facing south. But yeah, this is the first time that bees have used this opening. They look healthy, and there haven't been a lot of dead bees. Just the one time that I did the oxalic acid treatment, I tried to get some bees off the bottom there, but there weren't many. So hopefully, the amount of sugar I put in there, they'll be able to make it through till the spring. But yeah, it's some pretty good activity, I think. It's actually a bee there fanning for ventilation. So this is New England Gardening. Today's Sunday, February 23rd. Thanks for watching.